We're going on an adventure.
Came out way down there. Be all right.
This is the Jungle Adventure.
What's this? Look, I think that's a turtle shell. It's a turtle shell. Look.
Cool.
Should I kick it over?
Go ahead.
Not with my hand.
Where y'all going?
You can go to that bench, that tree right there. You can go up to that. Jay, go this way. That way. Caught a butterfly?
No, you hold it. Wait.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I think your butterflies did.
Can I hold it more?
Hold.
Let them hold it.
Oh.
You gotta hold it real light.
Can I hold it? Yeah. Okay? No, put it back. I'm gonna let it fly real fast. Oh. Elliot, aren't you gonna come up? Okay.
Oh!
Let him free.
Here we go.
Come on the other side of the tree.
Ow!
You got that? Because Addison was the one that figured it out first.
Alley-oop. No, we
Oh.
up the hill. There you go. Hey! You want to see? Look.
That one's.
All right, let's see.
Look at Uncle Elliot.
Yo!
All right.
You gotta take your model.
Yay, Addison did it.
Good job by herself.
Yay.
Good job. All right.
Well, come on.
She was striking a pose.
I'm striking my pose.
Oh, wait. Come on, let me see. Hold up. Take your jacket off. Like I said, that one back there you could knock over. That's hardwood. That was Elliot trying to knock over a tree. That was
Not gonna happen.
straight hardwood.
Dad, check it out. Look at me.
I'm gonna find one to actually knock over.
You heard that, folks? Now someone's gonna knock over a tree. Let's have them both try. Here we go.
Try this one. The next door. There you go. Let's back up. Let's go.
Yeah. It looks like trees.
Let's see that foxhole one more time. Foxhole.
Right.
Don't worry, guys. It's just a bear.
The trees are safe.
Lena, can we get a close-up?
Careful with
Make
the
your
sticks, you're gonna
pose.
hurt somebody. Make sure the sticks
Ew.
are down. So you don't-
Can I see your pose?
Huh? Whoa.
He just knocked down a tree. It's tremendous. He's a grizzly bear. Oh, let's go on this side.
You gotta say this one right here.
Bullet. I'm not strong enough.
Whoa.
The conquer.
Whoa.
Yeah, now throw it over there like a big.
That one. That one. Yes. Whoa, Sky, you broke a big one.
I can break this one.
Good job. Good job.
We got a bunch of lumberjacks.
Whoa, Sky, that's a big one. Dana, right here, this one. Yeah. Oh. Wait.
Wait. Push me, look.
Oh, yeah, I gotta push together. This one right here. With hands, push. Oh.
Whoa.
Now let's see if we can hear any animals. Boom! What are you trying to do?
Move it. Or get this one down.
Look, Addison, the bird. Up there, the bird. Up there. Little birdie. Get her face. Call her. What? Don't look up.